This app's appears show you.
How to change notification tone in iPhone. Follow these easy steps to change your notification tone. Go to your iPhone settings and here tap on sounds and haptics. And here you will get different types notifications options. If you want to change your iPhone text tone sound, then tap on text tone. And here you will get a bunch of different sounds. You can select any of them. Tap on back. You can change here your voicemail tone by tapping here. You can change new mail tone, send mail tone, calendar alerts tone, reminder alerts tone, default alerts tone. And if you want to add a custom tone, then you have to tap on tone store, then you'll be able to download a tone to use it. That's how we can change notification tone in iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.